Johnny here for Johnny's Car Care and Reviews, wanting to tell you what membership is all about. So membership is really about getting exclusive lives, getting really often your questions answered in videos, getting a lot of guidance from you and really direction for where you want the channel to go, because there's private polls, there's private lives, and of course it's about just supporting the channel so that I can continue to help the community. It really does go a long way. For example, it helped finish off the garage. This thing used to be all yellow and I could not film in it as it was filled with stuff. So we got the cabinets up. We've got the film equipment back there in the bag. So, the garage is it's getting close to being finished. And that's thanks to the channel. A lot of people don't realize that doing YouTube sometimes can pay, $10 a video. Sometimes it can pay a big whopping $100 a video. But unless you're really big, it's not really something that is a huge payment. For me, the big benefit is knowing that I get to help people out. So that's why I do all sorts of videos, money saving tricks, buyers advice, differences between buying and leasing. And also the membership does help cover toys for the channel. So it's helping me live a dream. We've got the GT Mustang here that we'll be doing videos on. You'll see a lot of those. We've got the Toyota MR2, which is actually my old vehicle that I owned. I imported from Japan back in about 2007, and I sold it in 2013. And it's back. So that's the vehicle I met Marie with. So it was sentimental. That's when we started being friends. So it was sentimental to the both of us. So we really do appreciate all the help. Liking and subscribing goes a long way. And if you do become a member, it really does give that little extra push to really help us get all the content we want to get out. Because of course, there's all sorts of house projects, and it helps me be able to sometimes hire a little bit of help instead of being my natural cheap self and doing it all on my own with Marie's aid. So it gives us a little more free time to work on the channel. So thank you so much for considering this. Take care. I do hope you get more cars and more power. Get your vehicle that you've ordered delivered to you soon. I do wish you all more cars and more power if that's your thing. Obviously here, this our thing. Marie is off to work with the Bronco that will be getting more and more videos to you on as well.